STIHL's new range of 2 Series petrol-powered lawnmowers are designed for domestic users with medium to large-sized lawns to take care of. They're packed full of features to help you get a great quality finish on the lawn, whilst being easy to operate and simple to manoeuvre around the garden. The 2 Series range has a number of models with different sized sturdy steel decks, with each deck size indicated by the model's name. The RM248 has a 48cm deck and the RM253 has a 53cm deck. There are also versions in the range that have single-speed drive, ideal for larger lawns. These models will have a T at the end of a product name, such as the RM248T. Powered by efficient petrol engines, they're able to efficiently drive the blade in the varying widths of models, as well as providing drive to the rear wheels of some models too. A good lawnmower is made up of a combination of factors. The blade needs to be designed to give sufficient lift to the grass to make sure it stands up straight for a neat cut. For this lift, there needs to be a good airflow under the deck of the mower, and enough flow generated so if you're collecting your cuttings, they can be directed into the collection box and pack it full. All mowers in the range are designed with this in mind, as well as ease of use. All models feature our mono handlebar, which makes it really simple to access, remove and replace the grass catcher box, as you don't need to crouch or stretch underneath where the other bar would be. This mono handlebar has a very sturdy feel to it, and is also foldable, so when you've finished mowing, you can fold it over for space-saving storage. These new mowers have a 4-in-1 mowing function. You can choose to cut and collect the clippings, cut and drop the clippings, mulch if you want to send the fine clippings back to the lawn as a natural, nutrient-rich fertiliser, or finally, you can side discharge by opening the side flap and adding the chute, which is included with the mower. To mulch, simply put the mulch plug in the back of the mower here to block the grass chute. The polymer box has a number of key benefits, including great airflow to fill the grass box full. All the vents face downwards, so in summer if it's dusty, it's all directed towards the ground. On top there's a fill indicator which drops when the box is full, reminding you to empty it. The box is very simple to open and empty the grass cuttings too. Simply grab the handles and release the switch to open it up like a clamshell. A polymer box is also very simple to clean out and will dry quickly too. Whilst these models have a tough steel deck, much of the rest of the mower is made from high-grade polymer components. So the handle is comfortable to hold and the mower is light and still easily manoeuvrable. The design also means that pivoting at the end of a lawn is simple and requires minimal effort. The mowing height is adjusted simply with the help of our single-point height adjustment. Just pop your hand under here and lift. A spring helps with the weight of the mower, so it can be done with just one hand. To keep the mower's wheels moving freely, we fitted double ball bearing wheels, which have a great service life and help keep the mower moving easily and straight for longer. Some additional accessories for the mowers include our RM care kits, which include a cleaning spray, cloth and brush to scrape grass cuttings from the deck, keeping it working as intended for longer. Find out more at stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.